Welcome to MarketSmart. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add a forecast layer. So from our dashboard, we're going to start a project. And we are going to add a layer. So I'm going to click on Add Layer. I'm going to go to Forecast. And here I'm going to say, look, I want to see the Atlanta market for the 2023 forecast by loans by census tract. So the first part of this naming convention refers to the market, Atlanta. The number refers to the year, so 2023. The L refers to the units, loans, and then the CT references the census tracts or the geography level. So here I'm going to type total purchase loans, and you'll notice the application starts to fill out the variable you're trying to seek. Okay. The attribute year, so I'm going to pick 2023. The location type, I'm going to pick census tract. And then the market is going to be Atlanta in my MSAs, and now I hit save. All right, so then it's going to draw, and I can zoom in by holding down the shift key and then the left mouse click. And this is my forecast layer, identifying the pockets of opportunity for purchase loans in the Atlanta market. All right, but you know what? Let's add some more forecast layers. Let's look at, this is the opportunity for all borrowers, but I'm going to add a layer to examine the opportunity for African American borrowers. So I'm going to click Add Layer. I'm going to go back to Forecast, and I'm going to say Black/African or Black or African American 23 units by census tract. Okay. Here we go, BAAPL or Black/African American purchase loans. Attribute year is 2023. Location type is census tract. And then the MSA is Atlanta. And I'm going to hit save. All right. And now we can see here is the African American opportunity in Atlanta. And I'm going to make this totally opaque and hit apply. All right. From here, I am going to add our Hispanic forecast. So add layer, forecast, type Hispanic, 23LCT, and make sure to get the I there. And then we're going to go HISP-PL for Hispanic purchase loans, 2023, and census tracts MSA is Atlanta. And now we have the view for the Hispanic borrowers and the Hispanic opportunity. Okay. Let's say I want to add some listings to my map. So I'm going to click Add Layer, and I'm going to go to Add Listings, and I'm going to call this Listings Last 10 Days. Okay, and my MSA is still Atlanta. So I'm going to hit save, and then you'll notice that every diamond represents a listing. But what I want to do is I just want to see the listings that have been newly listed, or the listings that have been on the market for the last 10 days. So I'm going to click on the down arrow, hit View Data, and from here I am going to go to Add Filter, and I'm going to look at Days on Market and select that, and then in the comparison box I'm going to say less than or equal to 10 and hit apply, and you'll notice that we go from 30,000 listings down to 1,912 listed in the past week. I'm going to return to my map, and by clicking this map icon, and then finally I'm going to go to add layer, and I want to see all of the churches and places of worship on the map. So I am going to go places. I'm going to type places of worship after I go to add layer and then locations, and then the category is going to be places of worship, and the MSA remains Atlanta. All right, and I like the places of worship to be green, so I'm going to change the way these look by clicking on the layer itself, the layer name, and then going to full opacity, and then visual settings. I'm going to make these green and move that key, and then make the border black and hit apply. All right. So now I have a map with a forecast layer, but not only the forecast layer for all census tracts, but a forecast layer for African American borrowers, a forecast layer for Hispanic borrowers, some listings, and some places of worship, which I can always hide by clicking on the little eyeball or unclicking on the eyeball. And from there, we can do other things to the map, but right now this was the video to focus on how to add forecast layers to the map. Thanks for watching. See you next time.